Just doing a quick little snowblower tutorial on how these Briggs and Strattons are and how the old Tecumsehs were. You just take the bolts out and replace the recoil. Well, unfortunately, Briggs and Stratton decided they're going to rivet them on. So nowadays, it's a 2014 Craftsman made by Husqvarna. You got to take all your plastic pieces off. I'm going to start from unbolting up here, and you go all the way down to here, and then you have to even unbolt your carburetor. And then if you have a new piece like that, you're golden. You can just put the new piece on, which I don't. This one doesn't fit, so I will have to drill these rivets out. And the trick to that trade is getting very short bolts and then pointing them outwards. So the nut's on the outside like that. Because if the nut's on the inside, it will catch that flywheel inside there and chew it all up. So if you're stuck and you broke your pull cord, which is very, very, very common on a Briggs & Stratton snowblower, these are the steps you need to take. You know, so you gotta remember, on this one it's a little easier for the starter, but there's usually 2 bolts here. I can show you another Briggs down the road. This one just, I don't know, conked out. Made cheap, not made to last. But any Briggs & Stratton, you gotta pull apart the plastic pieces. And then again, if you want to go the easy route, you still have to pull plastic pieces, and you gotta put the bolts facing out for your own home repair. So instead of the old Tecumsehs where you could just grab it and, oh, let me grab a different one here. Grab it and just unbolt it and put a new pull cord on. Yeah, Briggs & Stratton decided to make it a little bit more difficult for us. So that's okay. Even the Hondas, like this is a brand new Honda right here. Bolts. Tilting it up. But bolts for the pull cord assembly. Bolts. Zipping it in. Oh, bolts. They're smart. That's a brand new Honda, and then my last year's model. Oh, it's heavy. She got some weight, but anyway, we'll just go down. Well, you can't see. You can see a bit of the pull cord, but it's got electric start. Turn it on with a key. Again, bolts for the pull cord. So Briggs & Stratton, I don't know why you guys did this to us, but I guess to make money off the dealers. So we do it our way. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe and like if you'd like to see some more on snowblowers, as we have lots in stock right now. This isn't even a quarter of it. I finally cleaned the garage out, got my nice heater set up there, and yeah, I'll show you from Briggs & Stratton to Tecumseh to Mitsubishi if you want. Any motor, any snowmobile you'd like to know, or any tips, just drop a line in the comment section, and yeah, I'll try and help you out as best I can. Thanks. Happy New Year.